Last week, we turned jackfruit into ice cream. This week, we're turning it into tacos. And if you've ever wondered if jackfruit could actually replace pulled pork, well, today, we're gonna put that to the test. So what you're gonna need for this recipe from the website Vegan Hugs is olive oil, 1 onion, garlic cloves, tomato paste, cumin, chili powder, oregano, paprika, salt, vegetable broth, corn tortillas, and of course, jackfruit. You're gonna need 2 cans, so here they are. This is the one in syrup. These are the ripe jackfruit. You can also buy the green ones, like I said in the video, assuming you watched the video. In that video, we talked about how the green jackfruit is often used for more savory dishes, while the riper one is used for the sweeter dishes. But I have a theory, kind of that like sweet and salty theory. So I'm gonna put it to the test. This is in a syrup, but we're going to drain it and then rinse it so you won't have all of that sweetness, but kind of think it can't be bad. Guess we're putting that to the test as well. Let's drain the jackfruit. Ooh, it's jackfruit, everybody. There you go. What? I knew that was gonna happen. Anyway, kind of smells like fruit cocktail. There you go, you can see that there. And second one, cool. All right, done. So I'm going to drain these a little bit more and rinse them. So try to get more of the syrup off of them. And then we'll get on with the recipe. Time to chop some onions. Red onion for color, for pop, I love it. That's what we're using. So we're just going to chop this up quite finely, or as fine as you can get it. And then we're gonna move over to the stove. Someone cutting onions in here? I think that is as good as I'm going to get it. Let's move over to the stove before I burn my eyes. Oh no, wait, I forgot. We got to shred the jackfruit. I forgot. I've never had jackfruit before. Isn't that crazy? It's crazy. You probably have, right? You're sitting there going, what are you talking about? I eat it all the time. I've never had it. I'm gonna try it. Oh. Tastes like a gummy bear. It's probably, it's probably because of the syrup. But anyway, all right, so what we're gonna do, now you can also buy jackfruit already like pre-shredded, but if you don't, it is more expensive. This way in the syrup or in the green, as a young jackfruit, it's I think about $5 or so cheaper if you do it yourself. So think about it. Now all we're gonna do is just pulse, because you don't want to turn it into a pulp. You just want it shredded. Let me unplug it first. Yeah, that's not, oh, there's a couple of large pieces in here. Maybe just 1 or 2 more pulses and it'll be good to go. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm scared it's gonna turn into a pulp. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. All right, now we're going over to the stove. Oh, hey there, how you doing? Good, good.
Hi, how are you?
First things first, we're gonna turn the stove to a medium-high heat. Then you're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or avocado oil. Works really well also. Then let that heat up, and then you're gonna add in your onions and let them saute for a couple of minutes. And you know what? While we're waiting for the oil to heat up, I'm gonna chop up 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. I love garlic, so maybe 4? So I say give the onions about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're gonna add in the garlic and let that all saute for about a minute or so. Now to that, you're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and give that an additional minute. Okay, now it's time to add in the jackfruit. You're gonna let this saute for about another 2 to 3 minutes. I'm so conflicted by the flavors and the smells that are going on right now, but I'm excited at the same time. This should be interesting. So after we've let the jackfruit saute for another 2 to 3 minutes, then we're gonna start to add in all the spices, all the good stuff. 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Let's fully incorporate these awesome spices. Oh, and of course, hold on. We need salt, but don't add too much right now because in a couple of minutes, we're gonna add in 3/4 cup of vegetable broth. And you're gonna let that simmer and cook down till all the juices are gone and the flavors are fully in the jackfruit as it looks like pulled chicken and pulled pork. This is very cool. Okay, I'm actually very excited. I heated up some corn tortillas and I added some slaw. This is kale slaw. This is what I used. I'm excited. I added a little bit more salt afterwards, so you can do that after you've let the, what's the word I'm looking for? You've let the vegetable broth reduce. If you still want a little bit more salt, yeah, you can add it then. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. So I was right. The sweet and salty. Yeah, that worked out. I would now like to try it with the green to get the full savoriness of the recipe. I think that would be interesting as well. I think I could have gone a couple more cycles in the food processor because there are still some large chunks in there. Not bad. I kind of like the texture as well as with the coleslaw. Yeah, this is tasty. The flavor is so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah. No, I like this. This is this is good. No notes. It's tasty. You gotta give it a shot. Do it right now. The video's done. Go do it. I'll see you. Bye.